over 90% of drug discovery fail at clinical trials. This is a major issue because one drug reaching the market that costs over 2 billion to develop. This makes medicine very expensive and makes pharma not so prone to invest as much and be as innovative, staying very traditional, and ultimately doesn't allow us to cure the diseases. We want to use space to improve that pipeline. If you can get better representation of a disease in space, means that our results when tested in space will be more accurate. And this will lead to less failures at clinical and make drug development much cheaper and bring more treatments and better treatments to the patients. It's a full comprehensive service that we can offer. It started by developing a prototype of a lab automation system that can operate in space, that allows to give access to everyone to leverage space without becoming an expert on logistics of going to space, what is interesting to do in space. So we have expertise in science, we have expertise on the hardware development, we have the machine, we have the lab automation system that operates in space. And what we offer is an end-to-end solution that pharma or biotech industry can come to us, we understand their biological problem, we design the experiment, we run the full process, and you just bring back value to them, completely hands-off, end-to-end solution. At the present moment that we just developed technology and we are starting launching things into space, we are offering this as a service. What we want is to use this almost like a terrestrial preclinical CRO that pharma usually use. We operate in the same way. The only difference is like we use space instead of Earth, that gives a biological advantage. As we develop in our business and we get the expertise and we get enough capital to start investing, we would like to run our own missions, start performing our own drug discovery, identify the candidates, and bring them to clinical trials ourselves. At that point, we could even license to big pharma after passing clinical phase 1 or 2, or we could even take it to the market ourselves. That's more the long-term vision. For now, I just focus on offering a service, validating the strategy, and making sure that we are bringing big value from space. This competition is all about thinking outside the box and finding innovation. What more outside the box could be than outside this world? We can offer something that no one else can. We can offer an innovation that no one can bring to the table, making sure that TechniMed, if interested, can keep a competitive advantage by having us on board and close to them, first access to all the information, all the innovation, and making sure they could own the market if they intend to. I think this is a no-brainer by having us as a winner and making sure they stay close and run a few missions with us.